Hi guys, how in a day? It's again QMT TV. Hope we are all fine. So guys, let's just quickly do this down. It's very simple to grab. Just be focused. So I'm showing you the layers, it's 3 layers. So and the this thing I'm holding is Asoki materials. So you can see how I fold it. It's not reached down. So then you pick that place. I'm using rubber band to that place. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing. Then you fold it inside like that. Then you take it to your head. Then pick it from the front. Pick it from the front. I'm adjusting it. I'm adjusting it. Then you can see the back. Yeah. So then I'm going to use rubber band to tie that place again. That front. You see it. So I want you to notice something from that place. You see the one I folded when I wanted to start it, when I want to start it rather. So you see I'm stucking it inside. I don't want it to appear. So I just want only that long one to appear because it's that long one I want to use. So make sure you notice that place very well. When you want to fold your own, don't make it equal with the second one. So it has to be shorter, at least 70-25. So that is how I measure it. So then when I want to bring it out from the rubber, I did not remove everything. You can see what I did from that place, you see. So I did not remove everything. So that place now we're going to use pin. You see how I'm picking it. So we are to use pin to pin that place. Yes. Then I pin it. See the pin is doing something else. So I'm using another pin to pin it. And when you are pinning it, make sure you are very careful. Don't injure yourself. Don't injure yourself. So I need to pin that place again so that it will look nice. So guys, we need to adjust that place very well. So I'm pinning it again. You see how it look like now. So I just want that place to be like a full style. So I've tried to do the little I can do. Then you bring that one up. This is to cover the back. Then you do what? You spread it. Then you can see what I'm doing. Then this hand here, I'm going to pin it. Very, very simple to grab. Yes, guys. It's very simple. Make sure you do your own tutorial and make a screenshot of it. Drop it at the comment section. Drop it at the comment section. So I've pinned that place. Then I'm going to adjust it. Going to rearrange her. I'm trying to adjust the hub. See, had they been this showcase type of one that used to stand, now. So that place I'm trying to hold now, that hub will have stand more than this. So I pin that place again. You see now. So very, very simple to grab. You see, you can do this yourself. You don't need anybody to help you to do this. You can do it yourself. So guys, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share it. Let other people benefit from this. Please guys, help me to share. As you are sharing, may God bless your hand. Okay, see you in my next video. Like, comment, and share. Bye.